Morning class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to start a new story of our unit number 3, that is Alice in Wonderland. Now before we start our story, let me tell you that this is not any normal story because there are lots of strange things, there are lots of magical things which will be happening in this story. For example, the animals would be walking around just like we do, they will be talking just like we do, they will be wearing clothes just like we do, and also uh, we will also find a magical garden. Okay, so there are lots of exciting elements in the story which we will learn once we begin it. So let's start. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. So, there is a girl whose name is Alice, and one day, Alice, along with her sister, was they were lying under a tree, and Alice was listening to the story which her sister was reading. And suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. Scamper means to run in a very fast speed. So while she was listening to the story, she found a rabbit running in a very fast speed away from there. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. Now you will understand the description of the rabbit very carefully. So the rabbit had pink eyes, the rabbit was wearing blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waist pocket, and as he was running away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." So now you must be wondering, a rabbit wearing clothes, blue coat, waistcoat, a rabbit carrying a watch? I know this sounds strange, right? And just like us, just like we are getting curious about this rabbit, Alice also became eager to know more about this rabbit. The moment she saw this strange rabbit running away, wearing clothes and carrying a watch, she became curious to know about this rabbit even more. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit. So Alice had never seen a rabbit which could talk, which wore a waistcoat. So she became curious and she decided to follow the rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Popped means to go somewhere without any notice. Okay, to suddenly appear somewhere, just like magic. So the rabbit suddenly jumped into the rabbit hole, and Alice followed him. Alice also jumped into the rabbit hole because she wanted to talk to this rabbit. She wanted to know more about this rabbit. So she also jumped into the rabbit hole. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Now, why they have used down, 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 down so many times? Because the rabbit hole was very, very deep. Okay, it wasn't like a normal rabbit hole, it was very deep. And Alice also found herself falling deep into the rabbit hole for a long time. And she thought, where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? Because the journey till the end took quite a long time. Okay. So she thought that she must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth, which means she thought, for example, this is earth. So she thought that she might be falling and falling and falling, and she might reach center of the earth. But still, the journey through the rabbit hole continued, and now she is assuming that now she might have crossed the center of the earth and she might get out from the other side. Okay, she might have entered from this place and now she might cross through the earth to reach the other side. Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Pile means group of dry leaves. She looked around suddenly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears, whiskers, how late it's getting." Whiskers means the hair which can be found on the skin of animals, on their face specifically. So the rabbit touched its whiskers and he said, "How late it's getting." And again the rabbit ran away. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. So when Alice stood and she looked for the rabbit, which had run away already, she found a door. And that door was very small in size because it was only 15 inches high. And it was impossible for Alice to go through the door because it was obviously very small in size. And suddenly she saw a golden key on a glass table. She tried the little golden key in the lock. To her delight, delight means happiness, she became very happy when that golden key fitted right into the lock and it opened the door successfully. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden. So that was the most beautiful garden that Alice had ever seen in her life. Why? Because there were lots of bright flowers. There were lots of bright flowers. There was fountains, beautiful fountains. But unfortunately, she could not go through the door. She could not reach the garden. Why? Because obviously the door was very small and Alice was quite larger in size in comparison to the door. So she could only enjoy the sight of the beautiful garden from the other side. She could not really go into the garden. And at this point, Alice only wished to become smaller in size so that she would go through the door and finally into the garden. This was your story, Alice in Wonderland. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.